In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Bluetooth problems on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPad. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. In many cases, this problem appears because of a minor software glitch, and a simple force restart fixes this issue in most cases. But if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure that you have enabled the toggle for Bluetooth. Now after that, under My Devices, just tap on the eye icon in front of your Bluetooth device. From here, just select Forget this device, and just tap on Forget Device. And after you've done that, now just pair your Bluetooth device again with your iPad. But if this also did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, under Settings, just tap on General. And at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset. And from here, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN. And tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPad. After you've done that, now just tap on Battery. And from here, just check if low power mode is enabled on your iPad or not. If it is enabled, just turn it off, because sometimes when low power mode is enabled on your iPad, it can interfere with the working of the Bluetooth. So make sure you turn off low power mode. After that, just go back to the General section, but this time just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any update available for your iPad or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through software update. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the Bluetooth problems on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.